Hi everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Jamila. Today's video I'm going to show you how I make liver. For the new viewers, welcome to the family, and if you're already part of the family, welcome back to another video. For the ingredients, I have some liver, carrots, bell pepper, onions, and spices of my own taste. As you can see here, my liver is soaked in milk and some spices. This is only because liver has some sour taste, so to eliminate that taste you have to soak it in milk and some spices for like 30 minutes or 1 hour. So the first step I'm going to do is to heat up some oil, and I'm putting my liver in the pan. I'm going to fry my liver until this water dries out, because you know, like meat and all these other things, when you try to cook them, they produce water of their own. So I just need this to dry out. And now I am frying a little bit my liver. I like everything, like meat and all these things, dry. So I like to deep fry them a little bit before I make stew. So after deep frying the liver, the next thing is I'm going to add in some onions. I know while I was mentioning the ingredients, I didn't mention garlic. But honestly, I would be lying if I don't tell you that I add in garlic, because I feel like I add garlic in everything. So I'm adding in some garlic, some carrots, some asparagus. This is kind of the second time I'm shooting by myself, and I feel like I'm forgetting to mention a lot of things, because I feel like when Musa is shooting with me, he's here to remind me a lot of things that maybe I don't think about. But I also didn't mention that I was going to use these tomatoes. It's tomatoes with chili. I like these tomatoes because they're already cut and grinded and all that, so you don't need to blend any tomatoes. And for me, this gives me a good consistency of the stew. Did I mention that liver is one of my favorite like stews? I remember when I was a kid, my mom would literally wake me up from sleep. It's one of the things, when I'm sleeping, I'm dead asleep, but this is one of the things that I could wake up for, to just taste. So I'm adding in some tomatoes. I'm going to let these like steam for some time, and then I'm going to come back. I'm going to add in some spices. So these are mixed spices, some curry, Royco, and Maggi. I am adding in a little bit of water and letting the stew cook for a little while. So here we go. I'm serving my liver with ugali and kale. If you like the video, remember to give it a thumbs up and comment down below. And if you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time.